I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a bunch of different rocks from our collection, and I'm gonna make them into fridge magnets. Welcome to Natural Stones. I'm making fridge magnets. 4 or 5 per rock, probably about this big. If you like what you see, you can go ahead and purchase them. And you gotta hit that subscribe button, because we've got a ton more cool rock videos coming out. Okay, so I've got 5 different rocks here. We're just gonna start cutting and see how it goes. These fridge magnets are now for sale at shopnaturalstones.com. The link is in the description if you want to buy one of these fridge magnets for yourself or for a friend or family. If you like watching this video where we make stuff out of rocks, hit subscribe, because we got plenty more rock making videos coming up. Thanks for watching.